show you how to manually upload photos to Google Photos using your PC step by step. This method is useful if you don't want auto backup and only want to upload selected photos. So let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. In the top right corner next to my account picture, I clicked on the Google Apps icon. From the drop-down menu, I clicked on Google Photos and the Google Photos interface opened. Now, in the top right corner of the Google Photos, I clicked on the plus icon. A drop-down menu appeared. From this list, I selected Import Photos. After clicking on it, the file manager opened on my PC. From here, I selected an image that I wanted to upload to Google Photos. Then I clicked on the open button. As you can see, the photo started uploading immediately. Within a few seconds, the image was successfully uploaded and appeared in my Google Photos library. I clicked on the image to open it and confirm that the upload was complete properly. And that's it. This is how you can manually upload photos to Google Photos on your PC without using auto backup.